This is my 1971 F250. It's got a recent frame off nut and bolt restoration done to it. It's professionally done. It's an original F26 truck, so it's a real high boy. It's not a conversion. Paint is just nice. All the lines are straight. Brand new set of Super Lugs on it. Just straight, straight, straight. Raptor Liner. It's all fresh. When it was restored, it was set up so you kind of be protected. So it's got clear bra on the high touch areas. It's got colored Raptor Liner on the very lowest portion of the truck underneath that chrome, just to protect it. As you see, that this truck is just super, super straight. Nice, nice truck. It's original Ford color, which is medium bronze. It'd be hard pressed to find a nicer 71 out there. It's got a C6 automatic transmission. And of course, it's got a gun rack. Everybody had to have one of those back in the day. It's got Bluetooth, kind of retro looking radio. It's got a undermount winch. I think it's a worn 10,000 pounder, but everything underneath there is just nice. It's like brand new. Let's take a quick look underneath the hood. Brand new, just fully rebuilt 390. Nice aluminum radiator. It's got the upgraded power brake booster, power steering. Just nice. Divorce transfer case. It's got two saddle tanks. They're factory saddle tanks. They were found brand new, old stock. And so it's got dual nice big saddle tanks. Anyways, if you're looking for a really nice bump side high boy that's high level restoration, no stories, just good truck you can get in and drive and enjoy, win car shows, this is the truck for you. So anyhow, give me a call. I'll put my number in the ad. Took me a long time to find one at this level, but need to make some room, so it's up for sale. This one's not cheap, but cheap's cheap, and for somebody who wants one of the nicest ones, this is it. So anyways, give me a call. Thank you, appreciate it, bye.